In 126th day of the Russian invasion of Ukraine, both countries reported large number of army and military equipment losses. Russian air defense men have shot down two Su-25 aeroplanes near Kurulka, Kharkov region, Vitnivoye, Kherson region, and one Mi-8 helicopters of Ukrainian armed forces near Arkhangelskoye, Nikolaev region. Non-Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles have been shot down near Vesloye, Ilizhovka, Shestatovo, Pitomnik, Lipsy, Ternovoya, Sulinovka, Kharkov region, Tomina, Balka, Kherson region, Stakhnahov, and Antemirovka, Donetsk People Republic. 7 Ukrainian Torchkayu ballistic missiles have been intercepted near Pesky, Azovkie, Kapitolovka, Chernovy, Oskol, Kharkov region, Tyaginka, Novokondafoko, Kherson region, and 8 projectiles launched by a multiple rocket launcher system near Kamenka, Barskovka, Kharkov region, Klimki, Novoloskovka, Yarofaga, Donetsk People Republic, and over the Snake Island. In total, 221 airplanes and 134 helicopters, 1,391 unmanned area vehicles, 351 air defense missile system, 3,853 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 692 combat vehicles equipped with multiple rocket launcher system, 3,052 field artillery cannons and mortars, and 3,907 units of the special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. On the other hand, Ukraine also reported the Russian losses: 217 aircraft, 185 helicopters, 1,572 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 246 multiple launch rocket system, 2,598 vehicles fuel tank, and 640 unmanned area vehicles and 14 boot.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.